Did you know that a lifestyle disorder like diabetes can be controlled with the help of a home remedy? Today in Homeveda, I am going to share this remedy with you all that will easily help you control diabetes at home. So without wasting any more time, let's get into it. For this easy peasy recipe, you only need Amla. Let's get started with the recipe. Take a mortar and pestle and now take some Amla. So you can take 2-3 Amlas and chop them into little pieces. Make sure that you pound it nicely. Amla can be consumed in the form of powder or pickle. Now let me tell you that Amla is one of the richest sources of vitamin C. It can help manage pancreatitis and eventually control blood sugar levels. Now I've pounded this into a really fine pulp. And now let's take the juice out of the pulp. I'm using a muslin cloth here, but you can also use a cotton cloth. And now we are going to strain the juice. Hold it nice and tight and then you can just squeeze the cloth. Now take a glass of water and you have to just add 2 teaspoons of Amla juice in the glass of water and dilute it. And well, you can have it first thing in the morning. Or you can also have it with bitter gourd juice. So I'm going to again add 1 teaspoon of Amla juice here. Mix it well. And now this is something which you can have every day. Amla should preferably be consumed every morning on an empty stomach to get the most benefits, especially during the winter. Apart from Amla, there is another underrated kitchen ingredient that can help control blood sugar levels. This holy ingredient is cinnamon. It is believed to regulate blood sugar levels by stimulating the activity of insulin. In a glass, take some warm water. And now add half to 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder in the warm water. Make sure that you mix it very well. And now you can have it every day. This is a holy grail ingredient that can help you control diabetes. Cinnamon contains chemicals with anti-inflammatory, anti-cancer, anti-diabetic, antioxidant and antibacterial characteristics that may also protect against other diseases including cancer and cardiovascular diseases. Making small changes in your lifestyle can keep your diabetes in check. I would suggest you exercise daily and control eating junk food. Try to completely cut off from all types of artificial sweeteners such as cupcakes, donuts and chocolates. Maintaining an active lifestyle, eating right and staying hydrated can work wonders for you along with the home remedy. Here I would like to tell you that all our home remedies are verified, but if you suffer from high diabetes, then it is always better to consult a doctor to know what is right for you. Do you follow any remedy to keep those blood sugar levels in control? Or have you made any changes to your lifestyle to keep your diabetes in check? Do share your thoughts on this and keep watching this space for more such content.